Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install any FitGirl Repack game in 2025. I show you guys how to do it. Just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security and click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select the manage settings and turn off the real-time protection and select yes and just minimize this page and double click on the setup and select yes. Select the language and select OK. Select this music icon to mute the music and make sure nothing is running in the background. And then if you are under 8 GB RAM, then you just need to check mark this option, guys. In my case, I have 32 GB of RAM, so I'm unchecking it. And then select next option. Select next. Select the location where you want to save this game, and then select next. And check all these and select install option. After the game installation done, uncheck these option, guys. Open this site and redirect to this site, and then open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down. Select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the game folder, guys. I saved in C drive games, and here is the game folder. Select it and select folder option. And as you can see, the game folder has been added to this list. And then go back and turn on the real-time protection and just to close stuff here and select the finish option. As you can see, all files are okay, no missing or no bad files found. Just to close stuff here, install the DirectX and Visual C++. And the game open up without having any problem. And now you will never face a game related problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.